How to change the date format on Excel, quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can change your date format on Excel. So let's get into it. Now, first off, I'm just going to go into these cells over here, and now we're going to begin entering some random dates. So this is July, and I'm just going to enter a few dates from this month. And just like so, I'm just going to enter a few more dates. And now I can just drag this down and then change up the dates or, use some other formula. So I can add fill weekdays. So it only illustrates weekdays like that. So I've entered a simple date. Or how do I change the format of all of these dates? So this is in the format of day, month, year. And you have two other formats, which would be month, day, year, or year, month, date, or you can even go with year, day, month. That is a very, very specific format, but it can be used if you want to. Now, how do you actually change the format of your text? So what you're going to do is you can just click on any of these cells, do a right click over here, and then you're just going to scroll down, and then you can click on format cells. Once you click on format cells, you will have the date. So you can see what type of date format has been added. So you can see you have your basic format, that whatever you added, then you will have other formats available. So let's say I want it to be typed in, then you can add that. Then you also have the simple other format, and you can choose whatever format that you want. So first off, you have your basic date, month, year. Then you will have your day, date, month, year. Then you have your year, month, date. Then you have the date, month, year. Then you have the day, month, date, year. And then you have the day, date, month, year. So you have a lot of different options available, and you can just select whichever one you want. So maybe I want to illustrate the data in the very simple form of year, month, date, and I'm going to click on OK. And now you can see the data has been rearranged. And if I scroll this down over here, this will change all of the data formats. So you can have a cohesive format of all of your dates. Now, if I want to do it once more, you can just select one cell, or if you don't want to, you want to select all of it, then what you can also do is you can do multi-select over here, or maybe you want to have half of your dates in one format and half in the other. Then just select the ones that you want in one singular format. Select all of those, do a right click on format cells over here, and once you do that, you're just going to click on date, and then you can change the date style like this. And just like that, we have changed the style of our dates. Now you have so many other options as well that you can create. You can have a lot of different options with these dates. You have all of the possible date formats. So I'm going to select the bottom three to show you guys once more. All you're going to do is select the data you want to change the format for. Now, this is just a couple of sample values. Obviously, when you are working in Excel sheets, you might have hundreds and thousands of data entries. So doing a feature like this is especially helpful in that situation. These features are made for those situations. Changing one or two dates is going to be easy, but when you have to change several hundreds of them together, that is going to be difficult. So you're just going to select all the cells you want to change. These are like some are in another format. I'm going to select all of them, and then I'm going to click on format cells. I'm going to click on date, and then I'm going to click on the format that I want, which is going to be date, month, year. That is a nice format, or you can even do month, date, year, whatever you might want. So we're going to do that. We're going to do date, month, year, and just like that, our new format has been applied. Now that is how simple and easy it is. We can realign our text to be in the center as well. So we can select all our dates, place them all in the center like so. And now if you want, you can also do this to other things as well. You not only have simple formulas of dates, but you also have summation formulas and other formats available. So if I select the three top ones and I click on format cells over here, I also have other placements available as well, such as time, percentage, and fraction, scientific values, text. So you can really choose how you want your data to be displayed. And if I go on time, you also have the option to change the time of your data entries. So if you want it to be within the AM PM format, or how you want it to appear within the AM PM format as well. And if we go into our language, we can change that, as well as the calendar type, where we only have the Georgian calendar, but depending on your location where you are living, you might have other calendar options available as well. Let's say I type in the same date, and you can see if I enter like this formula, which is equal to date, it shows the year, month, day. Now if I want to change it, I can also do date value, and then I have the date text, so you can choose that as well, like that. And I can just close like this. So, other than your basic date functions, you also have other functions like if I have merging cells. So, if I have all of this data, I'm looking to probably have this data copied in a specific format. I probably have some kind of thing that I want to illustrate with this data. Then you also have things like merging cells. And then if I want to illustrate all of Jane's data, I can merge and like if I place it over here. Now you can see this third column, the D column, looks like it's data for another person. So what I would do is I would select all three of these cells over here and click on merge and center. And just like that, now all of this data looks cohesive, and then you can add the dates on the other side to illustrate the date for the data that you have entered, and you can change the formats as you go. You can also use summation tools. So if you want to enter a total over here, you can enter that as well. And then what you're just going to do is you're going to select the column for total, click on is equal to, type in sum. And then once you type in sum, you're going to select these three cells like this, add another bracket, and then you have the sum of all of the data. So that is how simple and easy it is to enter simple data. And you can not only change up the fields, change up the structure of dates, but other formats as well. So if I was to insert another column, which would be time. Now you can see I've entered a couple of random times. So I'm going to select one of these fields and I'm going to click on format cells. And then I'm just going to click on time over here. And then I'm going to select this field over here. Now you can see this section is illustrating time, and I'm just going to scroll that down, and now it will just copy the simple format. Obviously, if you scroll it down and it's showing this, then you're just going to click over here and you're going to click on fill formatting only, and now all of this has been formatted as time. And then you can choose a cohesive format, so you can click on format cells over here, and then you can choose the specific way you want the time to be formatted. So that is how simple and easy it is to format your dates on dates and times and any other data on Excel sheets. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.